In today's video, we will be multiplying fractions by a whole number. Let's start with 2/7 times 3. So here I have my 7ths tray, and this says that we need 2 of them. Here are 2/7, and we're going to do that 3 times. So here's 2/7 again, and here's 2/7 again. Now, let's put them together and see how many we have. One, two, three, four, five, 6/7. We have 6/7. And we can record that. Okay, let's try another one. Here we have 3/9 times 2. I have my 9ths tray, and I need to take 3 of my 9ths. 1, 2, 3. And how many times are we going to multiply that? That's right, by 2. So let's make another set of 3/9. Here's 1, 2, 3. Now let's put them together. And what do we have? Did you say 6/9? That's correct. Let's record that. We have 6/9. All right, let's do one more. Here we have 1/6 times 4. And here's my 6th tray. Here's 1/6. We're going to do that 4 times. Here's 1/6 again. 1/6 again. And 1/6 4 times. Okay, put them together. And what do we have? That's right, we have 4/6.